Hey there, my friend Ricky Burrows from rickyburrows.com. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to take the ManyChat widget and put it on your sidebar onto your website. So it's really simple to do. It can get a little complicated if you just take the wrong turn. So let's just go into it and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's move this over here. All right, so let's go back to the beginning. Go to Growth Tools. And when you're in Growth Tools, you select New Growth Tool. And what you basically do is you want to select which kind of widget do you want. Do you want, you want a box. I personally wanted a little box onto the side. So this kind of gives you an overlay. You can see this is a potential website, what it would look like, and this is what your image should look like on the sidebar with a clear send to messenger. Now, this stuff is so powerful. I mean, I have been getting hits on this from, people. It's just amazing what people can do, what this little widget can do. I mean, before I had a little bar at the top, but what we want to do is that, let's just get right into this. So I select box, and um, what you can do is you can show description, send to messenger, because if you have a little checkbox, I just personally like this little button that says send to messenger, so it can send a direct message into them, and you can select a picture where you can be above the headline, above description, below description. I personally like it this way. Submit status. So once you have your message and everything, you have it all set up. Now, if you're looking for how to just like install this straight up onto your website, we'll get right into that. But you can select your your sequence of what messages that you want right there, and then this is where I got screwed up. Okay, so now the particular code that I needed was not this JavaScript snippet, because look, I've already authorized this site. You go ahead and you add your website to authorize it, and then it says install this little code. Now I copied this code and I pasted it, in the head, and I put it in the widget, and nothing was working. That's because I needed this little code. This is what I needed, not this one, but it was actually this one. Look at where it says right here, embed your widget. It's right here. So instead of like putting this in, this is strictly for putting it inside like the code of your website. But with this, you put it right on your widget. So it's really super simple. It's right there. Bam. You just copy it. You go right over to, well, where is it? Widgets. Look at that widget. Look, sidebar. You just go right down. Now you know, like, oh, okay. So you grab text. You go up here. Bam. Put your text. You drag your text and drop it up here. And then you want to select text. Be sure to do that. Select text. And then you just copy, paste. You paste the code in here. Save it. And when you refresh the page, it'll show up. So it's really that simple. There's nothing complicated about this, but it took me time. I mean, I was putting it in places, the code, the JavaScript code was appearing here and nothing was popping up here. It was very frustrating, and I just simply missed that little step. But now it pops up right here, and all the people, the network marketers who come to my website, all they gotta do is click some down and see this. Click the chat, with Ricky right now, and send to Messenger. Boom. So it's really, really easy. It's really nothing to it. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any other questions, go ahead and leave one in the comment below. Hit the like button and subscribe. If you want to know some more information about, how to get a website like the one I just showed you, that it's just really, really simple. You only need 3 pieces of information. You don't need to write any crazy code. You don't need to copy and paste this code into like the header. You don't have to do anything weird. It's just drag, drop. It's really easy stuff. I do a lot of video tutorials on how to work with the Divi theme. So if you're looking for something like that, go ahead and take a minute, click on the link below this video so you can check it out for yourself and see just how easy it is to have a profitable blog that is a functioning blog, and it's just an amazing tool for an internet business. There we go, I said it. So go ahead, hit the click the link below, and put your name and email in, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.